Hi everyone, this video focuses on a scenario where there is no fuse in the circuit and a live wire has been electrically connected to the metal casing, which is due to an electrical fault. We also need to take note that the earth wire and the switch are both connected in the circuit in a very safe way. So when the switch is open, there is no current flow. There is no complete circuit and hence there is no current flow. However, when the switch is closed, the current actually flows. And the current flows from the live potential through the fuse, through the closed switch, metal casing and the earth wire. And we see that the path taken along here, its resistance is actually very low. And because the resistance is very low and the potential difference between the live potential and the earth is about 240 volts, from V equals IR, the current flowing through this path has to be very high. Using P equals IV, the thermal energy that has been converted from electrical energy to thermal energy is actually very high. And therefore, the thermal energy dissipated along the wire is actually very high. And because there's a lot of heat dissipated along the wire can become very hot, and this will lead to electric fire along the path taken by this current. On a side note, do take note that the thermal energy generated by this short circuit is actually very large and mathematically is large enough to melt the copper wire. So do take note of the immense amount of energy generated by this short circuit. Also do take note that the earth wire is also connected to the earth leakage circuit breaker, which is found in the circuit breaker. And this ELCB will trip and cut off electrical supply to this house. But in this context, there's a very high possibility that the heat generated may have really started the electric fire.